Welcome to the world of online roulette. Whether you're a seasoned player or a complete beginner, this series will have you covered. Roulette is a simple game of chance where a ball is dropped into a spinning wheel that is divided into several numbered and colored pockets. In classic roulette, you're gonna have a range of numbers from 0 to 36 and the colors red and black. But that might change depending on the variation of roulette you happen to be playing. So all you have to do to win is predict where it's gonna land. Sounds pretty simple, right? It's not. Online roulette is the virtual version of this game. But if it happens to feel a little too much like the Matrix, many online casinos offer live dealer roulette, which is a live stream version of the game. The only difference between the two is that the outcome of virtual roulette is determined by a computer, while live roulette uses a real physical wheel, just like in the casino. Real or virtual, the actual betting elements of roulette is the same, and rather simple and straightforward. Before each and every spin, you get a chance to place a wager on a wide array of outcomes. In roulette, it is possible to make the following bets. Straight up bets, like the most volatile one, where you bet on a specific number, or split bets where you choose two adjacent numbers, or even street bets or row bets, where you choose 3 consecutive numbers in the same row. You can even choose square or corner bets where you choose 4 adjacent numbers. And then there's outside bets like even odd, black red, high low, dozens, or columns. A few moments after the wheel starts spinning, the croupier will announce no more bets, and you're gonna have to wait until the next round to make a bet again. The ball will then be dropped, and trust me, this is one of the most thrilling moments in any casino game you're gonna experience. This anticipation for where the ball is going to land is unmatched by most other games out there. It's a feeling that I simultaneously love and hate. After that ball has done its little dance and finally lands on the winning number and color, that rush of being the winner will hit you. And trust me, it's pure magic. However, don't forget to play responsibly, because winning is great, as we all know, but it doesn't always happen. Remember to set a budget, play smart, and avoid chasing your losses. Most importantly though, is that you only play at secure, licensed online casinos. So you ready to go for a spin now that you know the basics? My name's Dominic, wishing you luck and reminding you as always, play responsibly.